Society of leisure. Does it ring a bell to any of you? If you're like me, a Generation X, born before internet, society of leisure was this idea back in the days where I was at school that the robots would give us more time to enjoy life, and especially any of our hobbies and leisures. That was back in the 80s. And I think that most people like me bought into it, that yeah, this environment can be cool because then we can just work the minimum and enjoy the maximum. And now here we are, 2018, and I wonder on your side, how is it with your life? If I was to say to you that, hey, you're supposed to enjoy your life right now, are you the kind of people who work with this technology every day? Yes, because that is the promise that we made years ago. So, of course, you know, if you're not very familiar with the idea, it's quite new for you. I really invite you to do some research on that, to really understand why I've created a program that is designed to reflect what are our needs in today's digital age. As it is with any other videos that I've done, I'm really not here to criticize anyone. I'm not here to prove them wrong. I instead want to focus on positive and really functional, very effective solutions. Okay? So I want to tell you a little bit more about this systemic model that I've created over the years. Over the years where I was looking for some solution to recover from my screen addiction. I laugh about it today because I found in this systemic model a universal language that works for me, that works for you, that works for everyone. Because something that I was not able to have access to during my years of screen addiction was the proximity, the contact with others, the contact with nature, the ability to move my body, to express, to stretch. In short, it was this medicine, this natural medicine that I was looking for and I couldn't find anywhere. So I had to create it. The systemic model that I call the reconnect to disconnect curriculum for unplugging revolve around very universal principles. And one of them is, you better move it or you're going to lose it, right? And if you look at the systemic model itself, the 3 levels, it goes from health and wellness to self-expression to community and leadership. The 3 things that are all in sync. They all have the same thing in common. It means that if you are physically, emotionally, spiritually engaged, you will see some huge changes in your life. Alright? That you don't need to crash. And you don't need to go through another depression. That you don't need to say, oh no, what am I going to do? I cannot control myself from this technology. Look, you're not the only one. This technology was designed to be addictive. In the first place, something to know about. Second, to focus on the problem or just create more. So here I am, I'm bringing you to this solution-oriented systemic model that will really help you frame what you want in your life. And yet, because you're going to have more time to enjoy life, you're going to earn extra time, really, that's what is going to happen. Then you're going to have more